Welcome. Delighted to see so many people here again for the 6th year that we've run this. Thank you for coming. I want to thank Niamh Breslin, our time sponsor, for their generosity in supporting this conference. That doesn't really happen. It's very expensive otherwise. So I also want to thank the organisers and all the volunteers, because really they're going to put all this together. Now I'd like to introduce Niamh Breslin from the IDA to open this year's conference. Thank you very much.
Good morning all. Oh, I'm particularly loud, am I? Good morning. It's great to see so many people in the room on a Saturday morning, especially in a bank holiday weekend. And I noticed the organisers were really clever and made it really wet outside, so you all have to stay here and you can't leave for the next 2 days. So welcome to PyCon 15. I want to start by reiterating what was just said and congratulating the organising team on putting together another inspiring event with so many interesting speakers and tracks. The Python community in Ireland has grown so much in the last couple of years, and I'm certain that that's down to the effort put in by everyone that's involved with the various supporting groups and meetups, etc. I was delighted to be asked to open this year's conference. My own background is technology. I studied Computational Linguistics in DCU many moons ago. So many moons ago, in fact, that course doesn't exist anymore. So I don't know what that says about what I chose to want to do. I worked in Lionbridge Technologies, both in Ireland and in China, for a couple of years afterwards. And then I joined the IDA team. And I worked with the technology team there, working with the various technology multinationals coming into Ireland. I was in Germany for the last 4 years, working with the European portfolio for startups, so attracting them to Ireland. For those of you who might not be aware of what IDA Ireland does, because I know we have some visitors in the room, we partner with established companies, both large and small, and we work with them every step of the way to achieve a smooth, fast, and successful setup of their operations in Ireland, or to expand their operations in Ireland. And it's great to see so many attendees and so many sponsors here who are from companies that work with IDA Ireland, like New Relic, like AOL, like Udemy, Zalando, and many others. Ireland is home to over 1,200 overseas companies today and continues to attract companies from sectors such as technology, life sciences, financial services, engineering, and business services. Ireland's tech sector is world-renowned and continues to flourish. 9 of the top 10 global software companies are located here. 9 of the top 10 US ICT companies are here. And the top 10 born on the internet companies, and many other similar stats for all of the sectors that we work with. The tech industry employs over 37,000 people and generates approximately 35 billion in exports annually in Ireland. Ireland has become a global technology hub of choice when it comes to attracting the strategic business activities of ICT companies, and this has earned us the reputation for being the heart of ICT in Europe. The exciting commercial and creative mix on offer, together with a business-friendly environment and speed to market, are the key motivating factors for Ireland. The high quality of life available here, coupled with a thriving ICT sector, and that attracts the high quality technical talent from throughout Ireland and across the world also. You all know this because you're part of that community, and the community is so important in Ireland. The one thing I hear time and time again from clients is how easy it is to network here in Ireland. You might be down in Flattery's on a Thursday night, and more than likely you're going to be sitting there with teams from Google, from Facebook, from Zalando, from HubSpot, from Zendesk, Intercom, Log Entries, all these great tech companies that are growing here in Dublin. And networking is what this weekend is all about. Connecting with your industry peers, making new strategic relationships, maybe finding your next job or your next hire. Make sure you use the breaks and the workshops to get out there and introduce yourselves, because we want the Python community to continue to grow here so that we can continue to keep attracting great companies to set up here. I was delighted to see the addition of the data analytics track to the conference schedule this year. Python is a powerful, flexible, open source language, as you know, making it perfect for data manipulation and analysis. It's been used in scientific computing in highly quantitative domains such as finance, oil and gas, etc. It's been used to build massively scalable web applications like YouTube, and it's powered most of Google's internal infrastructure. From the biggest investment banks to the smallest mobile web startups, companies of all shapes and sizes are using Python to run their businesses and to manage their data. And that's true of Ireland too, where companies from Groupon to Qualtrics to PayPal to Aon all have data analytics teams on the ground here, a sector that's continuing to grow from strength to strength in Ireland. You might have seen the press earlier this week about the opening of US company Pivotal in Dublin. It was on Back to the Future Day, and they had a great launch with a DeLorean and a whole Back to the Future themed event. They already have an operation in Cork, and they're now expanding their Pivotal Labs to have an operation here in Dogpatch Labs in Dublin. And that means more software engineering roles as well as technical support. You might also have seen earlier in the week some press around the new knowledge development box announced as part of the budget. This OECD compliant knowledge development box will add a further dimension to Ireland's strategy of encouraging R&D to be undertaken in Ireland, complementing our best-in-class corporation tax offering, which includes the 12.5% rate, the R&D tax credit, and the intangible asset regime. Finally, as I look around the room today, I'm delighted to see so much diversity. The speakers list is also incredibly varied, and I look forward to hearing from women such as Naomi Cedar and Natasha Bard. Ireland is well represented when we think of women in technology, with women here heading up having senior roles in multinationals, heading up some of the biggest multinationals in Ireland, as well as being founders in some of Ireland's most innovative startups. It's encouraging to see so many students in the room as well, and I hope that this weekend will be an inspiring one that encourages you to take up a career in your chosen field here. So thank you again to the organising team. I hope that this is the biggest and the best PyCon to date, and I hope to see the event continue to go from strength to strength over the next couple of years. I wish you all a weekend of new connections, new learnings, and new motivations. Enjoy your weekend.